Every 34 seconds, someone in the United States dies from heart disease. But here's what Big Pharma doesn't want you to know. Your kitchen may hold the key to cleaning out your arteries naturally. No surgery, no expensive statins with side effects. Just real, science-backed foods that reduce plaque, lower LDL cholesterol, and slash heart attack risk. Bestie Health made a video on this, but today, I'm giving you the updated, research-driven version with exact serving sizes, clinical studies, medication safety tips, and a free 7-day meal plan PDF, link in description. And a quick warning if you're on blood thinners or statins, stay tuned for that. Let's dive in. First, let's understand the problem. Your arteries are highways that carry oxygen-rich blood to your heart. Over time, LDL cholesterol, the bad kind, and inflammation from processed foods build up a waxy substance called plaque. That plaque narrows your arteries. Blood flow slows. If that plaque ruptures, a blood clot forms, blocking the highway. Result, heart attack or stroke, often without warning. Important medication warnings. If you take blood thinners, Warfarin, Eliquis, Xarelto, leafy greens, vitamin K, and garlic, natural blood thinner, can affect your INR levels. Do not suddenly change your intake without doctor approval. If you take statins, Lipitor, Crestor, Zocor. High-fiber foods like oats and beans can slightly reduce statin absorption. Take your statin at least 2 hours before or after eating high-fiber meals. Always consult your doctor before making dietary changes, especially if you have heart disease, diabetes, or high blood pressure. Okay, let's fix those arteries. Number 1, fatty fish. Salmon, mackerel, sardines, tuna. Packed with omega-3 fatty acids. A 2026 study in the Journal of the American Heart Association found that people who ate fatty fish twice a week had 30% less arterial plaque progression. Omega-3s lower triglycerides, reduce inflammation, and make artery walls flexible. Serving size, 8 to 10 ounces per week, 2 servings. Pro tip, wild-caught salmon is best. Canned sardines in water are cheap and easy. Number 2, oats. Not the sugary instant packets, rolled or steel cut. Oats contain beta-glucan, a soluble fiber that grabs LDL cholesterol in your gut and carries it out. A 2026 meta-analysis of over 50 clinical trials showed that 3 grams of beta-glucan per day, 1 cup cooked oats, lowers LDL by 5 to 10% in 4 weeks. Serving size, 1 cup cooked oats. Pro tip, add berries and walnuts to double the effect. Statin note, if you take statins, eat oats 2 hours apart from your medication. Number 3, berries. Blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, blackberries. Their deep colors come from anthocyanins, a type of flavonoid. A Harvard study of over 90,000 women found that 3+ servings of berries per week lowered heart attack risk by 32%. Flavonoids fight inflammation, the root cause of sticky plaque. Serving size, 1-2 cup fresh or frozen. Pro tip, frozen berries are just as good and cheaper. Number 4, nuts and walnuts are the king. Only nut with plant-based omega-3s, ALA. A 2026 ACC study gave people 1-2 cup of walnuts daily for 2 years. Result: LDL cholesterol dropped 9% and LDL particle quality improved. Serving size, 1 small handful, 1 ounce, about 14 walnut halves. Calorie warning, nuts are healthy but calorie-dense. Don't eat from the bag. Measure first. Number 5, leafy greens. Spinach, kale, arugula, Swiss chard. They're loaded with dietary nitrates that your body converts into nitric oxide, a molecule that relaxes and widens blood vessels. One study in the European Journal of Epidemiology found that just 1 cup of raw leafy greens per day was linked to significantly healthier arteries. Serving size, 1 cup raw or 1 to 2 cup cooked. Medication note: if you take blood thinners, talk to your doctor first. Vitamin K affects clotting. Pro tip: lightly steaming spinach increases nitrate availability. Number 6. Garlic. Contains allicin, a compound that lowers blood pressure and slows atherosclerosis, plaque buildup. A 2020 study showed that aged garlic extract reduced arterial plaque volume by 8% over 1 year. Serving size: 2 to 4 fresh cloves daily or aged garlic extract supplement. Follow label. Medication note: garlic has natural blood thinning effects. If you're on blood thinners, ask your doctor before adding high amounts. Number 7. Legumes. Beans, lentils, chickpeas, black beans. A 2026 clinical trial found that eating 1 cup of beans or chickpeas daily for 12 weeks lowered LDL by 7% and reduced inflammation markers. They're cheap, filling, and packed with soluble fiber and plant protein. Serving size: 1 cup cooked per day. Pro tip: canned beans are fine. Just rinse them to remove excess sodium. Statin note: same as oats. Take statins 2 hours apart from high-fiber legumes. Now, these 7 foods work only if you cut out the artery killers. Here's your ingredient blacklist. Memorize these. 1. Partially hydrogenated oil. That's trans fat. Found in fried foods, store-bought cookies, margarine, coffee creamers. 2. High fructose corn syrup. In soda, candy, white bread, pasta sauce, salad dressings, even healthy granola bars. 3. Refined seed oils. Soybean oil, canola oil, corn oil, sunflower oil. These are highly processed and inflammatory when overheated. And avoid processed meats: bacon, sausage, deli turkey with nitrates, hot dogs. These directly raise LDL and inflammation. You can't out-eat a bad diet. Food alone is 50% of the equation. Here's the other 50%. Exercise: 150 minutes of moderate cardio per week. Brisk walking, jogging, cycling. It increases HDL, good cholesterol, and lowers blood pressure. Start with just 10 minutes a day. Sleep: less than 7 hours per night raises inflammation and cortisol. Aim for 7 to 8 hours. No screens 1 hour before bed. Stress management: chronic stress keeps your arteries inflamed. Meditation, deep breathing, or even 10 minutes of sunlight can help. Combine these with the 7 foods, and you've got a complete heart attack prevention plan. Here's your cheat sheet. All 7 foods on one screen. Pause the video, take a screenshot, and save it to your phone. Keep it with you at the grocery store. Here's your simple daily routine to unclog arteries. Breakfast: 1 cup cooked oats, plus 1 2-cup berries, plus 6 walnut halves. Lunch: large spinach salad with chickpeas, olive oil, lemon. Dinner: 4-6 Oz salmon or mackerel, plus steamed broccoli with 2 garlic cloves. Snack: handful of almonds. Do this consistently for 3 months and your blood work will tell the story. If you only remember one thing from this video: fatty fish, oats, berries, nuts, leafy greens, garlic, and beans. That's your heart attack prevention kit. Share this video with someone you love. Tap the share button right now. You could save a life. Final legal disclaimer. This video is for educational and informational purposes only. It is not medical advice. Never change your diet or medications without consulting your doctor or cardiologist, especially if you have heart disease, diabetes, or take blood thinners or statins. If this video helped you, smash the like button. It helps more people see this. Subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss our weekly heart health videos. Comment below, which of the 7 foods are you adding to your grocery list this week? I read every comment. Stay heart healthy. See you in the next one.